Before starting the video, please read the instructions carefully on this page. This will help you get the most out of this session. Stay connected for more videos and updates. Question 1. Which of the following is the first step in problem solving? A. Writing the program on coding sheets. B. Defining the problem clearly. C. Constructing a flowchart. D. Testing the program. Correct answer, B. Defining the problem clearly. Explanation. The first step in problem solving is defining the problem clearly. The programmer needs to understand what needs to be solved before proceeding further. Question 2. What is the purpose of an algorithm in problem solving? A. To randomly assign solutions to problems. B. To provide a logical sequence of steps to solve a problem. C. To act as a replacement for a flowchart. D. To test the final program for errors. Correct answer, B. To provide a logical sequence of steps to solve a problem. Explanation. An algorithm is a structured sequence of steps used to solve a problem logically. It ensures that the problem-solving process is efficient and systematic. Exam Pharmacy offers a range of study services to make your life easier, from online quizzes, assignments, and research papers to midterm and final exam prep. Need help? Just message us on WhatsApp and we'll take care of the rest. Let's make studying stress-free together. Question 3. Which of the following best describes a cause and effect relationship? A. A classification of different objects. B. The comparison of unrelated elements. C. An event, cause, leading to a consequence, effect. D. A list of random events happening together. Correct? Answer. C. An event, cause, leading to a consequence, effect. Explanation. A cause and effect relationship explains how one event, cause, results in another event, effect, helping in understanding logical connections between actions and outcomes. Join our WhatsApp group now. Click the link in the description for more study support. Question 4. What does a block diagram primarily represent? A. A list of different programming languages. B. A visual representation of the flow of events in problem solving. C. A set of unrelated computing instructions. D. The final output of a program. Correct. Answer. B. A visual representation of the flow of events in problem solving. Explanation. A block diagram visually represents the sequence of events in problem solving, showing the relationships between different steps using arrows. The question 5. Why is testing a program an important step in problem solving? A. It allows the program to be rewritten entirely. B. It ensures that the program functions correctly and finds errors, bugs. C. It helps in removing unnecessary flowchart steps. D. It prevents the need for a programmer. Correct. Answer B. It ensures that the program functions correctly and finds errors, bugs. Explanation. Testing a program helps detect errors, bugs, before final execution, ensuring that the program functions as expected. Question 6. Which of the following best defines classification? A. Grouping items based on shared characteristics. B. Assigning random categories to objects. C. Sorting information without a logical basis. D. Listing unrelated topics together. Correct. Answer. A. Grouping items based on shared characteristics. Explanation. Classification involves organizing objects or concepts based on shared characteristics, making it easier to understand and analyze information. The question 7. Which phrase is commonly used to express a general to specific classification? A. Make up. B. Constitutes. C. Is composed of. D. Form. Correct answer. C. Is composed of. Explanation. Is composed of is used when describing how a larger category consists of smaller components, moving from general to specific. Question 8. Which of the following statements is false about computers? A. A computer can think and solve problems on its own. B. A computer follows the instructions given by a programmer. C. A computer processes data according to a program. D. A computer requires input, processing, and output components. Correct. Answer. A. A computer can think and solve problems on its own. Explanation. Computers do not have independent thinking abilities. They strictly follow the instructions provided by the programmer. Question 9. Which step in problem solving involves writing the program using a programming language? A. Defining the problem. B. Constructing an algorithm. C. Translating the algorithm into a program. D. Running the program. Correct. Answer. C. Translating the algorithm into a program. Explanation. The step where the programmer writes detailed instructions using a programming language is known as translating the algorithm into a program. Question 10. What is the role of an input device in a computer system? A. Storing information permanently. B. Displaying processed data. C. Entering data into the computer for processing. D. Generating random computations. Correct. Answer. C. Entering data into the computer for processing. Explanation. Input devices, e.g., keyboard, mouse, scanner, are used to provide data and instructions to the computer for further processing. Now let's begin the subjective portion. Focus carefully and take notes as we go through the key points. Question 1. What is the first step in problem solving? Answer. The first step in problem solving is defining the problem clearly. The programmer must understand what needs to be solved before proceeding further. The question 2. What is an algorithm? Answer. An algorithm is a sequence of logical steps used to solve a problem. It provides a structured approach to problem solving and can be represented using a flowchart or block diagram. Question 3. How does a flowchart help in problem solving? Answer. A flowchart visually represents the steps in problem solving, showing the sequence of operations and decisions through connecting arrows, making the process easier to understand. The question 4. Why is testing an important step in programming? Answer. Testing ensures that the program functions correctly and helps detect errors, bugs, before the final execution, allowing necessary corrections. The question 5. What is the difference between general to specific and specific to general classification? Answer. General to specific classification moves from a broad category to its smaller components, e.g., the CPU consists of the control unit and ALU. Specific to general classification moves from individual components to the overall category, e.g., the control unit and ALU make up the CPU. Question 6. What is the purpose of classification? Answer. Classification helps in organizing information logically by grouping similar items based on shared characteristics, making it easier to analyze and understand data. Question 7. What is a cause and effect relationship? Answer. A cause and effect relationship describes how one event, cause, leads to another event, effect. For example, if a program contains errors, cause, it will not execute properly, effect. Question 8. Why can't a computer solve problems on its own? Answer. A computer is a machine that follows instructions given by a programmer. It does not think independently, but executes commands based on the given program. Question 9. What is the role of an input device in a computer system? Answer. An input device allows users to enter data and instructions into the computer for processing. Examples include keyboards, mice, and scanners. The question 10. What are the two main components of a CPU? Answer. The CPU consists of 1. Control unit, CU. Directs and controls the signals inside the processor. 2nd arithmetic logical unit, ALU. Performs arithmetic operations and decision-making functions. Describe the 6 steps involved in problem solving. Answer. The 6 steps in problem solving are 1. Defining the problem. The programmer clearly understands and identifies the problem. 2. Formulating an algorithm. A sequence of logical steps is created to solve the problem. 3. Translating the algorithm into a program. The algorithm is written using a programming language. 4. Entering the program into the computer. The program is typed or punched into the computer system. 5. Testing the program. The program is checked for errors, bugs, and corrected if necessary. 6. Running the program. Once tested, data is added and the program is executed to solve the problem. These steps ensure a structured approach to solving problems efficiently in computing. Question 12. Explain the difference between classification and cause and effect relationships with examples. Answer. Classification is the process of grouping items based on shared characteristics. For example, in computing, devices are classified into input devices, keyboard, mouse, output devices, monitor, printer, and storage devices, hard disk, USB drive. This helps in understanding their functions clearly. Cause and effect relationships show how one event, cause, leads to another event, effect. For instance, if a programmer makes a coding mistake, cause, the program may not execute correctly, effect. This concept is essential in debugging and troubleshooting. Both classification and cause and effect relationships help in organizing and analyzing information effectively. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Stay in touch for more videos, and we'll see you in the next one.